Muses, Sarah here. Today I'm actually at Lady Bird Lake Trail, or a Town Lake Trail depending on what you call it. It's the same trail. I'm actually at the Barton Springs entrance, and it's probably definitely the most popular trail in Austin. There's just so many entrances to it, and all of them are uniquely pretty. I'm gonna be just doing a little run to the Pedestrian Bridge today. I've actually I've been in quite the state. I've been interviewing, and I accepted a new job, which is incredibly exciting, but it's also really stressful to be interviewing on top of another regular job, and applying for jobs is just like a whole nother job on top of a job, which I'm not trying to complain. I'm very lucky. I'm very grateful for this new opportunity, but it's been a lot. And then last week we had like an ice storm here, and it messed up my like running schedule. And when things get messed up for me, I tend to like spiral. That's how I describe it. I start worrying about everything, and I was already worried about everything because of the job search and blah, blah, blah. It's been kind of stressful. I actually think I'm better now. I'm out of my spiral. It's great. And I'm really excited for this run. The only thing is it's really windy, so I don't know if I'll like be able to talk on the bridge, which was my plan, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start running. So wish me luck. fuzz my hair. A little windy out there. That was a great run. Even though it's like kind of cold with the wind, it was like kind of perfect running weather. I don't know. It's always kind of nicer for it to be on the cooler side, because you get so hot running. I was thinking on my run about like how I kind of spiral, and I don't think it's like unique to me. I think other people also deal with sort of a spiraling sensation when something goes wrong. And you know, I was thinking like I have my goals, I have my running goals, and they're essentially for the 10K in April. I'm gonna try to follow those goals best I can. Sometimes it's not gonna work out, and that should be okay, you know? And I'm not gonna like finish the 10K and just immediately be like, dang, I wish I had run that 2.5 mile day back in January. Oh, it ruined everything. Like, no, I'm not gonna be thinking about the 1 or 2 days I didn't get in for training. Like, that's ridiculous. It doesn't really matter in the long term, right? So I don't know, they kind of put it into perspective. Like, sometimes focusing on the little immediate things just doesn't do you any good. And I could use a little reminder to myself to not do that all the time. So that made me feel a little better. I hope that can help you put things into perspective. Maybe the things that seem immediately like a big deal aren't really a big deal long term. But anyway, I'm blabbing and I'm sweaty and gross, so I'm gonna head back home. And thanks for joining me today. And I'm hoping I'll be more on a regular schedule now that crazy job things and hopefully ice storms are over with. So I hope to see you next week. Until then, I hope you get out there. Bye!